How to add outdoor sitting on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add outdoor sitting on your Facebook app easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, click on those three lines and go to your page. And here you're gonna find the sitting icon beside the search icon up there. Click on it and click on page information. Now scroll down and you're gonna find at the last option more. You're gonna find the second option, which is add outdoor sitting. And here you have your update outdoor setting, which is you can choose the first one, which is had outdoor sitting available or does not have outdoor sitting available. Choose one of them and click on save if you are done. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.